What animals are most involved in human-wildlife conflict? Imagine walking through a neighborhood and suddenly seeing a raccoon rummaging through your trash or a flock of snow geese feeding on your farm's wheat. These moments highlight how animals and humans often share space, sometimes causing trouble for each other. Human-wildlife conflict happens when animals and people compete for resources or space, leading to issues like property damage, crop loss, or even danger to human safety. Mammals like raccoons, squirrels, deer, and rabbits are common troublemakers. Raccoons are clever and can squeeze into small openings, invading homes or storage sheds. Squirrels often chew on electrical wires or nest in attics, causing damage and fire risks. Deer can eat garden plants or crop fields, especially during migration or winter months when food is scarce. Larger predators like lions or wild dogs are less common in urban areas but can pose threats in rural or protected regions. They may attack livestock or come into conflict with human activities. Birds also play a big role in these conflicts, especially in farms and cities. Seed-eating birds like the red-billed quelea in Africa can devastate crops like millet and sorghum, causing economic losses for farmers. In North America, snow geese and sandhill cranes often feed on wheat and alfalfa fields during migration or winter, damaging crops and reducing harvests. Urban areas see conflicts with birds nesting in places like building ledges or drier vents. Peons and woodpeckers sometimes cause property damage by roosting on buildings or pecking at wood structures. Birds of prey, such as hawks and owls, can get injured or killed when they come into contact with human activities on public lands. These conflicts happen because human expansion and habitat changes push animals into new areas. When natural spaces shrink, animals look for food, shelter, or breeding sites in human environments. This can lead to them being seen as pests or threats, which causes more conflicts. To reduce these issues, understanding animal behavior is key. Solutions include creating or maintaining natural habitats to give animals safe spaces, using deterrents to keep birds and mammals away from crops or property, and managing attractants like open food sources or garbage. Humane methods focus on modifying human practices and environments to prevent conflicts rather than removing animals, which often leads to more problems. In the end, mammals and birds are the most involved in human-wildlife conflicts. Birds that eat seeds or nest near buildings, along with mammals that invade homes or damage crops, are especially active in agricultural and urban areas. By understanding their needs and behaviors, we can find ways to live alongside wildlife while protecting our property and resources.